Page 10, Sunset. We get to cross over in the left hand. Yay, team. I look it over, it's a page long, treble bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signatures. In the key is C major. If you're doing scales, do the one for C major. 1 octave up and down is fine. 4 time signatures. Take it one hand at a time because we got some accidentals here. In the right hand, you're here. And because I'm using third finger here, I'm going to use second finger for the E flat. I mean, I could use third finger for all of it, but I think that's poor fingering. I'd rather use a different finger. So we use 2. And remember, an accidental is good for the rest of the measure. So like a measure 5 here, both of those are E flats. Now you don't need the natural signs. Like in the third measure, you don't need a natural sign. It's natural anyway. Because that flat in measure 2, the second measure, it's only good for that measure. So, but they're being clear, I guess. This just don't think it's got to be there. Because that gives the impression, oh, if that natural sign were not there, would that still be a flat? No, it's a natural. So stick to the rules. Regardless of what the music is telling you, stick to the rules. It is a natural. And you're not really moving around anything other than using second finger on the E flat sometimes, because you also have to use it on D. Okay. Left hand is the one where you're crossing over. Now, I normally would not finger it this way on something, but we need the practice on crossing, so let's do that. You're in 5 finger, just cross over from that. And get to where you can do this without looking at the keyboard eventually. Measure 5 is A flat. So in measure 5, you come up, you're not up here. You're down here, you just crossed over. Stay there. Now come up, reach up for measure 7 is 2-1. I just spread out a little bit into the here. I don't want to move if I can help it, so I just spread out a little bit. Because then in measure 9, we're back to what you were doing at the beginning. So let's put the heads together and see what happens. Well, we're here. And here. And here. And here. And here. And here. And here. Through and I'll put the hands together, and then I'll go back over just a few measures at a time, slowly, and work out the hesitations. Then I can add the dynamics. Rather soft, isn't that sweet? Sort of soft, rather soft. That's interesting. It's going to be both hands here. There's not much of a melody anywhere. It's the end of the day. That's the only dynamic they give. So if you feel like getting a little louder and softer in places, put it in. I don't think you're supposed to ever get really loud. That's not the mood of the piece. It's just the end of the day, sunset. You're getting ready to wind down here and eventually go to bed and go to sleep. So keep it soft, or I should say rather soft. I don't know. Then the speed, well, languid, good luck with that. It's just, the whole notes want to speed it up. The quarter notes will slow it down. Find a speed that works for both. And as far as bringing out the melody, I don't know where the melody is at, so I'm just going to play both hands the same. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the natural accents as you play these things. Let's play it slowly and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Four. Two, four. 2, 4. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.